You right? Huh? Come on, I don't mind it. A bit moody.
Yeah.
A bit moody.
You can go where you want. It's been able to see him.
This is true, yeah, for you, right? Yeah. It's better if it's lifted, yeah.
Wayne Rooney,
Want to see the
they've got
front.
Yes, big circle as you're coming in, big circle around this pole. Even bigger. Yes, that's big circle those that are just coming in. Got a big circle around this pole, right up to those edges. Spread yourselves out, make it nice and even.
Is Gordon out there yet?
You're going to boxes. We'll finish with reaction drill.
Oh, is it? He's out there.
Okay, so where you are, runners, step back, kick through. Okay, 5 on each side. Change sides. Again, 5 on each side.
You're out. Did you want everyone? Sorry, I phoned you. I wasn't sure whether you. Oh, sorry. Assume you'd be on it. I've got all 21. Yeah. Cool.
Okay, this is where you are. Little bounce on the spot. Keep it bouncing in between. Okay, change in. Keeping it all in the spot today.
Gordon's on the far side, by the way, Phil. Yeah, that's right. He's not like Howard, mate. No, he hasn't.
Okay, on the spot. Getting nice and high. Okay, perfect. Okay, step in.
Did they let you in early? What time did you come in the car park?
Okay, ease it off. Slow it down a bit before we go a little bit faster.
It's all a bit tight because they said you can't come in until 10:02, so I thought.
Okay, where you are. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. Quick in between. Okay, coming towards the pole, you're just going to take 5 or 6 steps in, 5 or 6 steps out. Repeat until I say change. Coming in, build a bit of speed. Two more of those. Get right back up to where you started. Perfect. Next one, jog in, stick the landing, then just jog it back out. Just pick it up a little bit on the way out. Got two on each side. Good stuff. Two on each side. Jump it in, stick the landing. That's 16 by the way. 16. Legs don't count today. Of course it counts. Legs don't count. I was going to do come on. Hey, Tino, you know?
Yes, fellas, just walk over into here. The reaction draw to finish. Walk it over into here. Okay, as you're coming over, boys, just split yourselves into behind each yellow, 5, 5, 5, and a 5. Okay, split yourself across. We're going to go into 2 races. We have a 2 practice reps before we go in. Make sure this is nice and sharp. Behind the yellow, not the white just yet. We'll go to the white next. 5 people behind the yellow. I'll explain the game in a second. Let's just have a couple of practice reps. All it's going to be is up to here, slam the brakes on, then ease it back out. We'll do 2 reps, 1 on each side, okay? Whenever you're ready, go. Build up now. Go. When you get to the first yellow cone, next person can go. Slam the brakes on to the end. Second rep, other side. Just push off on the other side. There we go, that's it. These are your groups of the races. You've got 2 opportunities to come out winner, and that's it. Okay, now find yourselves behind the white. The game simply is a little relay. Okay, first person starts on the white, front foot on the white, gets to the end, okay, must hit the line. Okay, when he comes back, he picks up this bib, hands it to the next person. Okay, then the last person must put it back on. The last person. In between, you just change it between partners, between your group. The last person, it must stay on. If you're going to take the win, it must stay on the pole. Does that make sense? We'll be watching if you don't hit the line. Okay? And also, just keep an eye out for those guys that start early. No early starters. Okay, ready to go? Go!
Go on, H!
Pass it to the next, no early starters. Pass it to the next person now. Who's gonna get it? Two races. Go on, Ollie, go on, Ollie. Yes! Last yes, 1 point to the Reds. Right, you two just swap sides. Hey, Reds, I go first.